Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, a city with a unique charm and a fascinating history. Founded in 1882, Moose Jaw quickly grew from a small settlement into a bustling city, thanks in part to the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway. The city's name comes from the Cree word Moosuchaw, which means warm breezes, and was inspired by the area's distinctive weather patterns. Over the years, Moose Jaw has become known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant art scene, as well as its intriguing connection to the Prohibition era, when it served as a hub for bootlegging and rum running. Today, Moose Jaw is a thriving community with a strong economy, diverse population, and a wide range of attractions for visitors to enjoy. The city is also famous for its geothermal hot springs, providing a relaxing escape for both locals and tourists. Whether you're interested in exploring the city's history, enjoying its natural beauty, or experiencing its lively cultural offerings, Moose Jaw has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.